Love this label, Peter Pan. This is the coolest vintage bathing suit dress, halter dress. Look at these great emperors here. It's a great pattern, and the colors are so cool. Ooh, I love it. See the horses? And this fella here riding the horse. Really cool. It's a great mod dress, and you know, the colors are just so unmistakably vintage, and the pattern too. You never see anything this well made or thought up these days. It's in mint condition. It's beautiful. So here's the label, and the size reads 36, so that would be the bust, and it has what I think are sea cups inside, sort of cups, soft flexible cups, and where I have it tied in the video, it's 56 in length, and then the waist is 13 but stretches easily to 14. I love these vintage nightgowns.